make a Little Debbie Christmas cake themed cup in 60 seconds or less. Here's our cute little Christmas cake designs, and we're gonna put them all around this color changing cup. We're gonna cut it on this premium vinyl setting. Everything has been cut and weeded, and now we're going to layer it. So the trick to doing this is having a bottom layer. So in this case, this is gonna be like my base layer. Everything else is gonna get layered on top of it. And we've got all the pieces for one tree. Transfer tape. Now we just layer them in order. The hard part is lining it up. I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. First layer done. Now for the sprinkles, I'm doing like a reverse weed because they are so tiny that I don't think I could weed these off of the page. Voila. Not perfect, but pretty good.